Hi, my name is Will English with English Management Solutions. You can see our contact information. We are QuickBooks Point of Sale experts and have worked with retailers and the product for over 15 years. Today we will be talking about how to calculate the inventory value as of a certain date inside a QuickBooks Point of Sale V19. I hope you enjoy. While QuickBooks Point of Sale does have a report that will allow us to run an inventory valuation as of a certain date, it is known to have some issues, especially when we sell inventory negative. So while I'll show you that report, I will also encourage you to use our technique to get an accurate inventory value as of a certain date. So the report that I'm talking about, we go under Reports, we go under Items, and then we choose Inventory Valuation. So this report allows us to run a report as of any certain date. Let me go ahead and choose 30 days ago. I'm going to go ahead and refresh. And so you would think that that report would give us a value as of November 17th, 2020. And in fact, it does. But I went through and I changed a bunch of items inside a point of sale. So you can see that the report, according to this date, has an inventory value of $7,819.81. I will show you how that report is not the accurate number and show you how to calculate the correct number. So I'm going to start with a report that shows the inventory value as of today. To do so, I click on Reports, and then under Items, I can either choose Item List or Summary. I'm going to choose Summary. That will give me a list by department and will make the report much shorter. You can see here, as of today, I have $40,706 worth of inventory. I know this because I can drill down on each of these and I can drill into the specific item itself and I can see the quantity and the value, the cost. So I know that this report gives me the actual total. In fact, we recommend that you run this report at the end of the month, you save it to Excel to keep it, and you tie it out to your QuickBooks financial software. Now let's talk about what happens to get to a certain date. So if I'm looking for 30 days ago, what I need to do is I need to say, okay, this is the value that I have as of today. What are the other two components? Well, first of all, what did I receive in the last 30 days? Again, I'm using the example of 30 days. When you're doing this in your practice, you want to make sure that you're calculating as of whatever date that you need the inventory value as. So I look and see what I've received, and I need to subtract that, and then I look at what I sold, and I need to put that back in. So again, if I'd received it between the 17th and today, I want to remove that inventory value. And if I'd sold it between the 17th and today, I want to put that value back in. To do so, I'm going to look at a purchasing report. I'm going to look at the receiving summary. Last 30 days is the date range. Again, if I wanted to have a specific date, I would go ahead and put that in. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Run. You can see that we had received in merchandise from Carol's Dressy Tops of $2,998.80. So I need to subtract that value out. The next thing I need to do is I need to look at what I've sold. I do that by looking at the item summary report. Again, looking at the last 30 days, run that report. Scroll down, and you can see that I sold at cost $1,601.25. Now it's just a matter of doing the math. So we start with the $40,706 that our inventory report showed. We go ahead and subtract the $2,998.80. Then we add back in the 1601.25, and that gives us a value of $39,318.45 far different than the $7,819.81 that we got on the report. So again, I recommend that if you need to get an inventory value as of a certain date, you go through this process and make sure that you tie that out to your QuickBooks financial software. If you need any help with QuickBooks Point of Sale, we are available for consulting. If you need to purchase Point of Sale hardware or software, we'll make sure that you get the hardware and software at the best price possible. Our contact information is on the screen. Thank you for listening. Hope you found this useful.